I wanted to clone my voice, but I didn't expect it to go this wrong. Not working because they decided to update NumPy and the version is not correct and they decided to deprecate. Who's that? That's not my voice. That I did not upload that. Who is that? That's not my voice. I am tired of answering calls. I am tired of answering voicemails. I am tired of talking to people. Why can't I just make a machine do it for me? So in this video, I want to try out 4 different voice cloning AI architectures, which include TalkNet, Tacotron 2, Tortoise TTS, and most importantly, ElevenLabs. To clone our voice, we actually need to give the AI some of our voice data, our voice clips. The AI basically needs our voice to learn something from. It needs to learn our voice. For TalkNet and Tacotron, you usually want about 20 to probably 1 hour of voice data. But with Tortoise TTS and ElevenLabs, you actually only need 2 minutes. For the first voice clips that I'm going to send, I'm just reading off the Adaptus Mechanicus copypasta. From the moment I understood the weakness of my flesh, it disgusted me. And whatever this is. So, as a joke, I went to my friend's house wearing Pecura's wig and clothes. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you the rest of that. No way. Anyways, we're gonna export them into 5 to 15 second clips. You can see that I ended up with 5 files. After that, we're gonna clean up the data by normalizing the audio to 0, as well as removing any other background noises. There's actually an AI for that as well, and it's actually the same AI that moves the music and the vocals, so you can have isolated vocals and you can have songs like this.
It took me 10 years to find the answer something I forgot about it in 2 seconds. It took me 10 years to find the answer something I forgot about it in 2 seconds.
For Tacotron and TalkNet, we actually need a transcript for what I am saying. So basically I would need a separate text file that would have everything that I said. And yes, we can actually use an AI program for this. And for today, I'm going to be using OpenAI's Whisper. It's a pretty cool and nifty audio to text program, and it can also do translations in other languages, which is very cool. So now we have good audio as well as a transcription file, which we'll use for pretty much all the 4 architectures that we're going to be using today. So let's start off with Tacotron. You might know Tacotron from websites such as FakeU, UberDuck, and most popularly 15.ai.
Oh really?
It's definitely the most popular and widespread voice cloning architecture before ElevenLabs and Tortoise TTS came into the picture. It's pretty old. The Tacotron research paper came out literally at the end of 2017. So it's 5 years old, 6. But today I'll be using UberDuck's pipeline training, which I had good results before, but well, you'll see at the end of the video. I'm also using Google Colab, which gives you a GPU for free, or if you're a baller and are serious about this, you can actually spend a bit of money and you can get better GPUs for very cheap. As in, I'm talking about $10 for like 50 hours of use, which is pretty awesome. Anyways, the same with all the Colab notebooks. All you do is press play and play around with some of the settings. So while this is running, let's go to TalkNet, my favorite. TalkNet is a bit newer because it was released in 2021 compared to Tacotron's 2018. It tries to be smaller and more compact compared to the other architectures, so it's also a bit faster to train and a bit faster to synthesize the voice. Basically, it's just faster and smaller, and you could say that it's a bit crappier, but it exchanges for it for speed. Anyways, same thing with the Tacotron notebook. All we do is press play. You know, machine learning is all about this, just pressing play. And what? Attribute error. Module NumPy has no attribute object. The fuck is that supposed to mean? Wait, so you're telling me that this is not working because they decided to update NumPy and the version is not correct and they decided to deprecate the entire fucking thing because they fucking... Why? Anyways, so to fix this, all we need to do is downgrade it. You know, it should be easy, right? Well, are you fucking serious? There's more red errors. It's now incompatible. What the fuck? Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna uninstall all of this and reinstall them, so hopefully it would fix the versions. Hopefully. Are you fucking joking? Now there's more. The fuck? Like, who is maintaining this notebook? Oh wait, it's me. So it seems like I need to have a specific version of Protobuf and gRPCO in order for this to work, but it does break stuff. So I installed different version of these two programs, but guess what? It broke more things. I don't even care, man. I'm just gonna press play and let's see if it works. Damn it. It's not working. Now we're training Tacotron and TalkNet together at the same time. Man, I do feel efficient. So while those two are training, let's try out Tortoise TTS, and lucky for us, they also have a Google Colab notebook, which should be very easy since we just press play, click on the button and it works. It's gonna work, right? It's gonna work and I don't have to do anything else, right? It's gonna be easy, right? Too many sessions. So instead of running Tortoise TTS on Google Colab and Google servers, let's actually just use my own computer. I have a decent computer for machine learning, so it should be fine. I'm gonna use Conda and follow the instructions on their GitHub page, and let's see how it goes. I forgot to install PyTorch and other fucking CUDA shit. And I installed the wrong version of Python, and it just breaks everything if I try to install a different version of Python. So I'm gonna have to delete everything and start over. Man, my GPU's on fire, my computer's on fire. Poor thing. Thank heavens. TalkNet just finished training because it's small and lightweight. And guess what? I don't have to deal with fucking running this show on my own computer. Fuck you, Conda. Oh my beloved notebook Google Colab. I do love pressing the play button. Just like how you're gonna press the like button in this video. Anyways, I'm just reading an explanation of how it works and how I would be able to input my own voice. And it's actually pretty simple. All you do is press more play buttons, and eventually one of them would actually just prompt you to input the audio files. And then you press more buttons and the voice comes out. Simple, right? Anyways, we managed to actually get it to work. I'll listen to it later, so we can actually listen to all the 4 architectures at once. Anyways, TalkNet is working, Tortoise TTS is working, Tacotron 2 is still training, and the last thing that we have not touched is 11 Labs. But yeah, here's 11 Labs, and yeah, everyone's heard of it. News headline, everyone's talking about it. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, it's everywhere. Fucking Reddit, fucking 4chan, it's everywhere. So yeah, it's a pretty neat website, pretty neat company. All you gotta do is pay $5. But guess what? The first month's free, so guess what? I'm literally I, SchizoDev, have acquired a 1-month free starter pack subscription thing from 11 Labs legally. So all we do now is go to their voice lab and clone our own voice. They ask what we should call the voice, as well as uploading pretty much all of the audio that we collected earlier when, you know, I said about the copy paste and the Pecora thing. So yeah, we drag and drop, and yep, guess what? Now we have to sign this little thing. We have to click the checkbox for the fucking privacy policy and whatever policy and terms of service and policy and fucking this look at those words. I can't understand words. I'm gonna agree to them. You never know. You could be actually selling your soul to 11 Labs, but you don't know because you didn't read it. Fuck. Anyways, it prompts us what, you know, I should make the AI say, but I did want to do this, you know, all at once. I wanted to do all the 4 architectures all at once, but I'm a bit curious. So maybe we can just do it a little bit early than we're supposed to do. I love Gorgura. I love her so much. Those little white hairs, those little teeth, everything is pure lust. Ahem, 11 Labs. Excuse me. Who the fuck is that? Who's that? That's not my voice. I did not upload that. Who is that? That's not my voice. I'm pretty sure I've selected custom / my voice, so it should have been my voice. And who is that? That's not my voice. That sounds nothing like me. Oh, I see 11 Labs. I see 11 Labs. The current default voices are all American. But guess what? I'm not American. I don't speak like America. I don't fucking use feet. I don't use inches. And guess what? They have not trained the accent of my voice. They're using a multi-speaker and they have not trained the accent of my voice. So even if I fucking put my own voice as a reference, they can't fucking clone it. I'd like to use my credit card. Tortoise Tita should be better, right? Right?
Stop saying Tohu is anime. I'm tired of seeing it. My friends on TikTok send me Japanese goblin on Discord memories of Phantasm.
Oh, come on. Who is that? It sounds British. It sounds nothing like me. British cup of tea. So Tortoise and I would assume 11 Labs, they use a multi-speaker model, which means that they have multiple speakers. They use multiple people's voices to train a single model, probably. And guess what? None of those people, none of those speakers, well, none of them have my accent. To be honest, my accent's a bit weird and it's not common. But because of that, they can't really replicate my voice. And instead of getting, my voice with my accent, all I get is some fucking American dude and some British dude. Horrible result, horrible stuff. The TalkNet and Tacotron should be better, right? Tacotron isn't even done train. It's barely even done. It's not done at all. It's still training. Okay, so TalkNet should be good, right? It should be decent, right?
I would give anything to grab her by the tail, pull that white hair, kiss that little mouth of her. I would do anything to be bitten by that hot shark.
Jesus Christ, that's horrible. My god, my ears, it's bleeding. It's horrible. This is TalkNet with 1 minute, so no. So let's try training it with about 20 minutes of my own voice. So it's the next day. I've slept like a rock. Actually, did I sleep like a rock? I don't really remember. I think I was angry. I think I had an angry dream, but so the 20-minute TalkNet model should be done training. Let's have a listen. I love her so much. Those little white hairs, those little teeth, everything is pure lust. It sounds a bit like me. I guess it sounds similar, but yeah, nothing. Goodbye.